Imagine having a compact drone that combines power, precision, and portability in one sleek package. Today, we're diving into the world of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a drone that's designed to elevate your aerial photography game to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a curious beginner, this review will give you all the insights you need. So, stay tuned as we explore the amazing features of this high-flying marvel. From stunning 4K HDR video capabilities to a lightweight, foldable design, the DJI Mini 4 Pro promises to be your go-to drone for capturing breathtaking visuals. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, the DJI RC2 controller, an intelligent flight battery with an impressive 34-minute flight time, a pair of spare propellers, and some extra screws. Everything is neatly packed, making it easy to get started right away. The Mini 4 Pro stands out with its sleek gray finish and compact, foldable design. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it's incredibly portable. This lightweight nature means you can skip the hassle of registration in many regions, making it perfect for travelers. Now, let's talk about the camera, arguably the heart of this drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a powerful 4K HDR camera that captures stunning video and sharp 48-megapixel stills. The HDR technology enhances contrast and detail, making your footage look vibrant and professional. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes or close-up action shots, the camera delivers impressive clarity and color. The 4000 resolution ensures your videos are crisp and detailed, while the HDR feature helps you get the most out of challenging lighting conditions. Performance-wise, the DJI Mini 4 Pro excels with its extended battery life of up to 34 minutes. This longer flight time allows you to capture more footage without constantly worrying about running out of power. And with a video transmission distance of up to 20 kilometers, you can explore and shoot from greater distances than ever before. The drone's flight stability and control are top-notch, thanks to the responsive DJI RC2 controller. The bright screen provides real-time flight information, so you're always in control, no matter where you fly. Safety is a key feature of the Mini 4 Pro. It's equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which means it can detect and avoid obstacles from all directions. This makes it easier to fly safely, even in complex environments or for first-time users. This feature enhances your flying experience, allowing you to focus on capturing great footage without constantly worrying about collisions. The Mini 4 Pro comes packed with intelligent flight modes, such as ActiviTrack 360, which lets you track and follow subjects effortlessly. This is perfect for capturing dynamic shots without the need for manual adjustments. Other smart features include gesture controls and a one-button return function, making it incredibly user-friendly. These options simplify operation and make it easier to get professional-looking results, even if you're just starting out. For those looking to enhance their flying experience further, the Mini 4 Pro is compatible with accessories like the DJI RC Motion 2 and DJI Goggles 2. These accessories provide an immersive first-person view and more intuitive control, taking your aerial adventures to the next level. These add-ons offer an exciting new dimension to your flying experience, allowing for more precise control and a deeper connection with your drone's movements. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an exceptional drone that combines portability, power, and precision. Its advanced features, user-friendly controls, and impressive camera make it a standout choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. If you're looking for a drone that delivers top-notch performance and versatility, the Mini 4 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow drone enthusiasts, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech content. Fly high and capture amazing moments with the DJI Mini 4 Pro.